Hi, so for the simulations and science activities, we are going to be using NetLogo Web, not the NetLogo desktop app, because you are probably on your Chromebook, so we can't download a desktop app. We have to have something that runs in your browser. So I'm going to walk you through the user interface for NetLogo Web. It's very similar to the desktop app. There's just a few minor changes with the user interface, and I want you to be comfortable with that. So I'm going to walk you through that first. So let's choose NetLogo Web. And don't worry about whatever simulation it's just randomly choosing for you. The important thing is that I show you where to find the models library. In the directions, it tells you that you'll find the models library under the file menu, but in NetLogo Web, we just have it right here, easy to find. So searching the models library, they tell you in the directions for our first model that we need to search earth science for fire. And there it is. That's the simulation we need. So once we're in the simulation, there's a little bit that's different about the interface, nothing big, minor stuff. Here we have our default density. Oh, there's nothing in here yet. That's because we haven't set it up yet. So this is a climate change model, and this one is about fire in a forest. And if you're kind of confused, you can go to model info, and they'll tell you everything about the model that you're working with. To see the model, we have to set up, and it drops in the forest with the default density at 57. And then to run the simulation, we have to choose the go button. And you can see the fire spreading throughout the forest. And down here, we see our percent burned. So this is one iteration, one trial. At 57%, but we need multiple iterations, multiple trials. We're good scientists, right? So you're gonna set up at that default density and go again, and you're gonna get a different results, right? You do multiple iterations, set up, go, and recording each data point, you will eventually have lots of trials and start settling upon an average. But it takes multiple trials, right? Set up, go. Okay, so adjusting the density slider during the directions, this is how you do it. I think you can also, you can also just type directly in there as well. Like, let's say you needed 60% from their directions. Another thing that they're going to show you to make your trials go faster is the model speed at ticks. So you can make your trials run more quickly. And this is the slider that they're talking about when they talk about the number of ticks. So when you set up and go, you notice those trials go a lot faster, so you get your data a lot more quickly. So those are the major differences in the user interface. If you have any questions, please email me, or you can find me during my office hours and do a Schoology conference or a Google Hangout. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions. I miss you guys, and I look forward to talking to you, even if it's just virtually.